In this lab, you will familiarize yourself with the NAND, NOR, NOT, AND, OR, and XOR logic gates. The function of logic gates can be simulated in MultiSim software. For this experiment, we need a power supply, switches, logic gates, and indicators. In the MultiSim workspace, right-click and choose Place Component to get different components. The voltage power supply can be found from Sources Group, Power Sources, VCC. The switches can be found in Basic Group, Switch. There are different types of switches. Based on your design, you can select the switch. Here we are testing a 2-input logic gate. Hence, we are using switch pack with 2 switches. The logic gates can be found from TTL group 74LS. You can see all the gates given in this section. Select 74LS00N, which is a NAND gate. To see the output, select Indicators group Probe. There are probes with different colors. You can select any of them. Now connect the VCC to the switches. Similarly, connect the gate inputs to the switches and indicators to the gate output. You can name the terminals using the text tool. Once you build the circuit, you can check the truth table by running the program. For the NAND gate, the output will be 0 for 1, 1, and 1 for the other input combinations. In a similar way, you can build all the other circuits in MultiSim. Once you complete the simulation, you can start doing the hardware. The first step is adjusting the power supply voltage of the trainer kit to 5 volts. For that, you need to use a digital multimeter. Make sure that you are connecting the multimeter probes in the correct positions and selecting DC voltage. Now vary the potentiometer to make the voltage close to 5 volts. In the trainer kit, there are 8 input switches and 8 output indicators. To wire the circuit, you can connect the switches to the input pins of the NAND gate. Please note that there are 4 NAND gates in a single IC, and we are checking only one gate. The inputs are connected to pins 1 and 2, and the output is taken from pin 3. Similarly, we can test different gates. The pin diagram for each gate can be found in the manual.